everyone. JaLingo's proverb of the week is take where you get till you can get where you want. This means take what you get until you can get exactly what it is that you want. Other meanings: an ideal situation may come to you but not immediately unless you're lucky. In the meantime, take another opportunity until that perfect job or situation comes your way. This may also mean that every opportunity can be a stepping stone to the realization of your ultimate goals. An example of this is, John, although a university you did want to go, better you take the job you get until you get where you want. You never know. This means, John, although you went to university, your best bet is to take what you are offered until you get the job you really want. You never know what can happen. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.